सस्यश्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं।
यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते नान्ते तत्र देवता means the divine are extremely happy where women are respected.
मैं लक्ष्मीबाई हूँ, झांसी की रानी। झांसी को अंग्रेजों के हाथों में नहीं जाने दूंगी।
चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी। बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी।
मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
Alkari Bai was a legendary woman warrior empowered and trained by Jhansi Ki Rani and was a prominent soldier in Rani Lakshmibai's army. She is worth our salutations as she risked her life to save Rani Lakshmibai in fighting against the British. Tarakeshwari Sinha from Bihar joined the freedom struggle at the age of 16 and she took part in Quit India movement and she was the first woman to become a deputy finance minister. Turi Rani Chennamma from Karnataka was a warrior queen who led an armed rebellion against British East India Company. Captain Lakshmi Sehgal from Chennai led Rani Jhansi Regiment, the first women contingent in the world. She was a great social worker and was conferred with Padma Vibhushan. Kanaklata Barua from Assam was also a brave freedom fighter who took part in Quit India movement and was shot dead by the British at the age of 18. Aruna Asaf Ali, a Bengali Brahmin, actively participated in Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement and is widely remembered for hoisting the Indian Congress flag at the Gowalia Tank Maidan in Bombay. She served as the first mayor of Delhi in 1958 and received Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1997. Janki Devi Bajaj from Madhya Pradesh was the woman who gave up all comforts of life and fought for India's freedom. She was confirmed the Padma Vibhushan in 1956. Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay from Bangladesh, a distinguished theatre artist and a social reformer, was the first woman candidate for the Legislative Assembly. She was undaunted and committed freedom fighter and she worked for establishing All India Women's Conference and was imprisoned too during struggle for freedom. Jankiati Nahapan from Malaysia, the founder of Malaysian Indian Congress, joined the women's wing of Jhansi Rani Regiment of the Indian Naval Army and fought for freedom and was awarded Padma Shri in 2000 by the Indian government. Magadi Annapurna Devi from Andhra Pradesh burnt all her clothes worth ₹1200 and gave away all her gold ornaments to Gandhiji, and she even cancelled her journey to the USA and participated in freedom fight. Mini Hazra from Arunachal Pradesh was a die-hard patriot and was known for her unshakable spirit. Her contribution to the freedom struggle was commendable in spite of a tragic personal life. She was jailed a couple of times and was later shot by the British. While Prabhadas from Assam took part in Vinoba Bhave's Bhudan movement, she was a great social worker and was given Padma Shri award which she refused to accept. Rani Srivastav from Bihar with her husband took part in Quit India movement in 1942. Even after her husband was shot by the police while trying to hoist the national flag in front of a police station, she even then did first aid with her sari to the injured and fought till her last breath. Katargada Ramasithamma from Andhra Pradesh was a great humanitarian. For serving the wounded freedom fighters, the government auctioned all her property and jailed her in 1933, where she was paralyzed in but never felt sorry for the British government. Sarla Ben, though not a native of India, inspired by Gandhian principles, left Britain and came to India and led the Quit India movement. She was an environmental activist and took part in Bhudan movement and has written 22 books in Hindi and English. Usha Mehta from Gujarat participated in Simon Commission and she established Time radio station to make communication easy during Quit India movement. She was jailed for 4 years and was later awarded Padma Vibhushan in 1998. Paladgu Varalakshmamma participated in Videshi Vasudhayan in 1931. She was put in jail where she has given birth to a girl. Annie Besant from Himachal Pradesh was a British socialist, theosophist, women's rights activist, writer, orator, educationist and philanthropist. Her contributions included the founding of the Banaras Hindu University. Amma Swaminathan was an Indian social worker and a political activist and also a member of the Constituent Assembly of India. She was a member of the committee for drafting the Indian Constitution. Umabai Kundapur was down-to-earth freedom campaigner who served the country till her last breath. Kalpana Datta was an activist and a member of the armed independence movement led by the Surya Sen, which carried out the Chittagong Armory raid in 1930. Later, she became the General Secretary of the Communist Party. Begum Roika was the first lady who fiercely fought for gender equality. She was a famous writer and a great social reformer too, and worked for women education in India. Abadi Bano Begum was popularly known as B. Amma, as she was the first Muslim to address a political gathering wearing a burqa and motivated the people to participate in the freedom struggle. Gai Dinlu was a Naga spiritual and political leader who led a revolt against British rule in India. As she was an active participant in driving away the British from Manipur, she was given the title of Rani by Nehru. Behan alias Madeline Slade was the daughter of a British rear admiral. She was inspired by the Gandhian principles and left Britain and came to India and joined the freedom fight. Begum Hazrat Mahal united Hindus and Muslims and made them to rebel against the British and inspired women to join army to fight for freedom. Azizan Bai fought the 1857 rebellion dressed in male attire. She had formed a group of women to help in collecting and distributing arms and ammunition to the soldiers. Annapurna Maharana was a renowned freedom fighter who took part in the Quit India movement. She has been a pioneer in basic education in Orissa and a great social worker. Princess Rajkumari Amrit Kaur travelled throughout the country spreading the message of freedom and harmony after being moved by the Jallianwala Bagh incident. She played an active role in Dania March and Quit India movement, and she played a key role in the establishment of AIMS. Pritilata Wandika was a 21-year-old who was considered as one of the greatest revolutionaries to have fought for freedom and was known for leading a raid on the Pahartha European Club in Chittagong. Hansa Mehta was a reformist, activist and an educationist who took part actively in non-cooperation movement and Swadeshi movement. She was member of executive board at UNESCO and was a Padma Bhushan awardee. Tuvuri Subbamma was a dynamic freedom fighter who was jailed quite a few times. She was a member of AICC and was known as Desa Bandhavi. Padmaja Naidu, at the age of 21, co-founded the Indian National Congress in the Nizam-ruled princely state of Hyderabad. She was jailed for taking part in the Quit India movement in 1942. Parvati Giri, who was nicknamed as the Mother Teresa of Western Odisha, was a prominent female freedom fighter who played a significant role in the Indian freedom struggle. Kamala Nehru, wife of Jawaharlal Nehru, participated in the non-cooperation movement of 1921. She organized groups of women in Allahabad and picketed shops selling foreign cloth and liquor. Sucheta Kriplani, who founded the All India Mahila Congress in 1940, was a freedom fighter and was the first Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh who sang Vande Mataram in the Constituent Assembly. Yashodhara Dasappa was active in the Indian independence struggle as well as several social movements such as Forest Satyagraha and Vidurashwata episode. She was the awardee of Padma Vibhushan.